Cornball. Cornball.
Okay.
Cornball. Hi. Hi. Hi, Cornball. 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 Let's go. Let's go. Cornball. Cornball. Let's go. Cornball. 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 Aww. Hi. Bluebonnet. Let's go, Cornball. Let's go. Come on.
Of course he's not going to do it.
I know.
Since he's standing here.
Cornball. Come here. Cornball. Come on. Yeah.
Oh, there he goes.
Cornball.
He said hello. That's so cute. There's Saffron.
What if I open it, it'll come out?
I wanted to get Decker and Bluebonnet and Cornballosaurus, who's part puppy. He's like a puppy and like a bird.
Come on, guys.
Saffron.
We open the door. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh.
Cornball. You missed me all day, huh? Here comes Saffron. Come on, Saffron. Let's go. Let's go, buddy. Go on. Oh, no. I made him fall.
I want to step back a little to get the
Good
whole
thing you
thing.
can fly. Come on, Saffron. Let's go. Hey. Here comes Bluebonnet. Let's go, Bluebonnet. They always come out in this order. I don't get it. Bluebonnet.
Yum.
Let's go. Oh, Daiquiri's going to beat him out of the cage.